The Sunset Auto family would like to thank all of you who make up our first line of defense against this COVID-19 virus. Doctors and nurses, anyone in the healthcare field, police, fire and emergency medical professionals, and so many more. You risk your own health and your lives to keep us safe and well. Sunset's new Sunset is Safe program, in addition to all the other safety requirements, will now treat every vehicle with a disinfectant and anti-microbial anti-allergen fog that kills up to 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and other microbes. In appreciation to our first responders, Sunset will treat your current automobile with this disinfectant for nothing, not a penny. Plus, do a quick safety check on your vehicle and take care of any covered warranty items from our manufacturers. All vehicles should really have this treatment. Just call and make an appointment with any Sunset family dealership. Now more than ever, you just get more at Sunset. And people, like our first responders, do like that.